The time has come for me to wash my pool filter bowls. They are pretty dirty, and since it didn't come with any manual, I had to look it up. I should be washing the filter bowls inside the bag without any detergent, without spinning them, and on temperature that's between 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, or roughly 80 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. So let's now get them washed. I'm going to select sensitive care, one of these two. I don't have a hand wash function, so this sensitive care is as close as I can get. I am going to use 40 degrees Celsius and turn off spinning. I don't have any detergent in, so let's now go ahead and press start. The washing cycle has finished. The washer did give it a little bit of a spin. So let's have a look how the bowls look like after getting washed. No detergent, 40 degrees Celsius, and no spinning. Let me now take them outside and get them dried. So I took the balls out, I laid them out here in the open. I did not try to take the excess water out. I'm just going to let them dry here on the sun. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and have a great day.